Hello, welcome to this short presentation on a few important loan schemes of our bank. Bank extends loans and advances to all sectors for genuine purposes like agriculture, industry, business, trades, services, housing, education, consumption, etc. Bank has well-designed schemes to cater to the needs of each and every sector. Brief on five important loan schemes, namely MSME loans, retail loans, jewel loans, housing loans, and vehicle loans are provided here. MSME loans, micro, small, and medium enterprises, that is, MSME sector is one of the key sectors of Indian economy. It contributes significantly to the GDP as well as employment. Government of India has introduced several schemes to foster entrepreneurship and support MSME sector like Make in India, Startup India, Stand Up India and Mudra loans. MSMEs cover manufacturing, trade and service units. Criteria for classification of units are original investment in plant and machinery or equipment as per Section 7 of MSMED Act 2005. Major advantage in loans to micro and small units is the credit guarantee provided by Credit Guarantee Trust Scheme for Micro and Small Enterprises, that is CGTMSC. Loans up to rupees 2 crore are covered under the scheme subject to terms and conditions. Rate of failure is high in case of MSMEs and hence selection and appraisal of potential borrowers are extremely important. Study of technical feasibility, economic viability, and overall bankability of the project shall be undertaken invariably in all cases. KYC compliance, internal and external credit rating, close monitoring of units as well as accounts are essential in case of MSME units. Retail loans. Retail loans are given to individuals to meet their personal needs like housing, transportation, education, purchase of consumer durables, consumption, etc. Percentage of NPA is comparatively low in case of retail loans, especially housing loans and vehicle loans. Hence, all banks compete to extend loans to these sectors. Our bank has competitive retail loan schemes under Sindh banner, namely Sindh Niwas, Sindh Niwas Plus, Sindh Vahan, Sindh Vidya, etc. Since retail loans are mostly repaid from current sources of income, ascertaining the sources and assessing the repayment capacity are critical in loan appraisal. KYC compliance is mandatory in all cases. CIBIL credit score and report and internal credit rating play important role in selection of borrowers and sanction of retail loans. Jewel loans. Jewel loans or gold loans are extended under Sind Swarna scheme for agriculture as well as consumption purposes. Jewel loans are popular with borrowers because delivery of these loans are fast with hassle-free procedure. Appraisal, sanction, documentation and delivery are simple and quick. Bank issues circulars periodically on eligible loan amount per gram of gold and other guidelines related to Sind Swarna schemes. Loans shall be extended as per the latest guidelines. For the bank, jewel loans are low risk loans as they are secured by pledge of jewels. Default in these loans are very low. Moreover, sale and realization of value of security is comparatively easy in case of need. KYC compliance of borrowers, proper appraisal of purity and value of gold by professional jewel appraiser, and adequate margin are key elements to be taken care of while extending jewel loans. Housing loans. Housing loans are extended for purchase of land and construction of house thereon, construction of house in land already owned, purchase of ready-built house, purchase of new or old apartment, etc. under Sind Niwas scheme. As the NPA level is very low in case of housing loans, all banks try to increase their housing loan portfolio. Hence, the market is very competitive. Since housing loans are primarily secured by mortgage of the property, confirmation of ownership and compliance with legal requirements are essential. Moreover, property purchased out of the loan shall be mortgaged to the bank and insured for full value. Since repayments shall come from existing sources of income, proper appraisal of eligible loan amount, income level, repayment capacity, etc. key factors in loan appraisal. To mitigate risk of loss due to death of borrower, bank has put in place an insurance scheme. All housing loan borrowers shall be covered under the scheme by collecting stipulated premium. Housing loan borrowers belonging to low and middle income groups are eligible for subsidy under Prime Minister Awas Yojana, that is PMAY, subject to conditions. Banks shall assist eligible borrowers to avail the subsidy. Vehicle loans. Vehicle loans are extended in our bank under Sindh Vahan schemes for purchase of four-wheelers and two-wheelers. Bankers also loan schemes for purchase of vehicles for transportation of people and goods. Like in case of housing loans and consumption loans, sources of income, level of income, repayment capacity, etc. are significant factors in sanction of vehicle loans under Sindh Vahan scheme. In case of other vehicle loans, technical feasibility, economic viability, and bankability shall be assessed and confirmed before extending loans. Since primary security is the vehicle purchased out of loan, the vehicle shall be registered with bank's charge noted in the registration certificate and insured for its full value. Inspection of vehicle before delivery to the borrower and at stipulated intervals are also necessary to ensure end use of loan amount.